Yeah.
So the orange pair is a RX pair, means receiving pair, and the green pair is TX, means transmit. Each and every device need to have these two units. One RX, one is TX. From one it will receive and from one it will transmit. Okay. Can anyone tell what is the purpose of using this gray pair? It is a very much asked question. It's a very basic question in interview level.
It
Can you tell me what is
might
the
be
purpose of
for brown cable, na?
brown? Yes, brown.
It might be for electricity.
Yes, you are very near about this. You are very near about this.
Electric signal.
Yes, definitely not electric signals. Nowadays, what we are doing, like if we are trying to connect a CCTV camera, okay, from a switch port.
Okay.
What did previously how we were doing? We are connecting the camera first. We are giving
PoE, power over Ethernet.
Yes, for PPP, power over the Ethernet.
PoE.
This pair transmits the power to the device, so that we no need to use any adapters and no need to use any electrical port and all. That resolves this problem by this pair. This pair throws the power through the switch port.
The brown one, right?
The brown one. It just this pair will be receiving purpose. The green pair will be for transmit purpose, and this pair will be for the power transmission purpose. So what, we don't need any charger or we don't need any power adapter to make the device powered on. Through the Ethernet cable itself, the device can be get powered on. And nowadays, the modules the switch modules and the switch slots are converted to PPP,
PoE.
means powered over the Ethernet modules, so that modules can throw the power itself. No need the power adapters. Mostly these cables are used for CCTV camera connectivities. For CCTV camera, we have to put the CCTV camera over the tree somewhere over, but in that places we cannot. It's not possible to make a electrical point or like that. That's why this comes to in the picture. Anybody can tell what is the purpose of using this blue pair?
I was about to ask.
Anybody can?
This is also an interview question. I have received this question in interview.
Okay, let me explain. Blue pair is nothing but this is a redundancy pair, or you can say as a alternative pair. If any of this pair are getting damaged, means blue pair or orange pair, receiving or transmit pair. So in that purpose, we can use this blue pair as RX as TX itself. Just assume I have one connectivity, and inside that connectivity, that blue pair, this orange pair got damaged. That time I can use this blue pair as a receiving section, white, orange, and white, blue, and blue. In the same way, vice versa, if inside a cable, if this green pair also goes down or it's stopped working, so that we can use this redundant blue pair as a TX. So you can use this for this is a variable pair. Okay, you can use it for transmit as well as receiving instead of this orange and green pairs.
So the role of the blue pair is